Hey everybody, back at LEGOLAND Florida for the first day of Lunar launch camp. Over here, you can launch a little rocket. A very little rocket, but you know, still.
And step up and do the rocket launch in 3, 2, 1, blast off. Countdown shall begin in 3, 2, 1, blast off. Whoa.
So there are various stations around Miniland for this. This is a face painting thing, but they call it space painting. Over in this station you can build a mosaic. It's one large picture, one little square at a time. They do this a lot at events here at LEGOLAND. Over here you can get a photo of this nice background with the Earth as if you are in space. Here's some space themed Lego sets. I believe these are the prizes. And then they print the photo right here. Mission to the Moon photo. Okay. As you can see, there is a floor that looks like craters on the moon, although I think you'd be falling into the craters, but showing you that you're supposed to be staying on the moon while you're getting this photo taken. This is a telescope build, another, well, not a competition, but another Lego build area. The base where the telescope will go once it's finished. You can see one of the sections built over here. And a section of the telescope being actively built. Need to push some of those down a little bit better, but being actively built right here. There's another segment with the logo on it. Or design, I should say. And the backdrop with the moon, so I guess you're on Earth still when you're doing this build. But getting ready to look up at space. Looks like they have Cartoon Network here, shooting some stuff which will be airing at some point. Nice it's a nice FX6 over there, and over there, I'm assuming time lapse. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.